We talked about early in the call, you talked about how gene editing and CRISPR gene editing will advance beyond what it's currently doing right now. So, are there any studies exploring the use of CRISPR and stem cells on, for example, digestive diseases such as Crohn's? Do you know anything about that?
Yeah, good question. So there are people that are proposing to use Tregs, which are the cells that regulate the immune system, and they could have a role in autoimmune diseases. So there could be studies, there could be applications there where you're editing these T cells, which regulate the immune system. Within the context of autoimmune diseases, I think there could be applications for using CRISPR gene editing there. The other application could be we know that stem cells do have, so these are hematopoietic stem cells that I'm talking about. They do have potentially therapeutic options or therapeutic outcomes within the context of autoimmune diseases. So there have been many case reports where patients with multiple sclerosis, they'll get an allogeneic stem cell transplant and they'll be cured of their autoimmune disease, multiple sclerosis. So I think that's another potential application where you take a stem cell, genetically edit the stem cell, and then infuse it into a patient with an autoimmune disease, and it could be potentially therapeutic. And so I think there's many potential applications, but I'm not currently aware of any. I think they're all preclinical as of today. So it's probably going to be another 2 to 3 years before we actually see clinical results. People going into the clinic with those approaches for autoimmune diseases.